Education and training is at the heart of what we do in HEIW and is the basis of Priority 3. This will include implementing the Education and Training Commissioning Plan for 25-26, which includes undergraduate programmes, working closely with our Welsh universities, as well as postgraduate training, which often operates as part of a UK system. Securing good recruitment and fill rates, minimising attrition, and ensuring that students and trainees have a great training experience in Wales are a fundamental part of our day-to-day work. As healthcare needs change, we're also building new, modern education models that respond to these changes, with more flexible, work-based learning and new technologies like simulation and virtual reality to speed up the training process. Next year, this will include the development of an NHS Wales Clinical Skills and Simulation Academy, as well as continued development and rollout of Bertie Dysgu e-learning platform. Alongside this, we're also doing some work on a future-focused education strategy, which will need to reflect that the shape of care and the shape of work is changing at pace. We plan to open more doors too, whether you're just starting out or changing careers. From apprenticeships to degree pathways, we are going to be making careers in healthcare more accessible and inclusive.